Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve location on Roblox. So now how to fix or how to solve location on Roblox app, you should just go to settings as you see, and you can click. Here in this page you will enter two apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter, or you will go to the window of Roblox and you will click here. After that you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.